How we doing today, people? This your boy Yancy Man back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing, well, not so much reviewing, but showing you my favorite accessories for my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Basically, I'm gonna show you how to turn your smartwatch into a luxury smartwatch. All right, we're gonna give it that luxury look today. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with someone who might be getting a Classic 4 watch and looking for some cool accessories. As always, I encourage you to drop your comments below and I respond to you at my earliest convenience. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so first I want to give my Classic 4 that Tom Brown look. If you're not familiar with the Tom Brown edition of the Galaxy Fold or the Galaxy Flip, it basically has this red, white, and blue pattern on it, as you can see here. But they sell it with the red, white, and blue pattern already on the phone and the watch. But I believe that set is roughly $2,000. I think I seen it for $2,500. It's probably about $4,000 on eBay. So instead of going that route, which I clearly couldn't afford, we're gonna do it this way. So first, I bought the white bezel and face plate, like so. As you can see, I only paid $7 for it. Okay. Then I also got the red, white, and blue band for it, right here. As you can see, I paid something for it. $12. All right. And if you haven't seen my case review for the Galaxy Fold, I'm going to show you where how much I paid for this case as well. Everything I'm showing you in the video, I purchased from Amazon at a fairly reasonable price. So this is it right here. Okay. Yeah, this is it. I believe I paid $20 for it. Okay, and that's for the fold case. So it has a Tom Brown pattern-ish. All right, I'm gonna set this up. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And yeah, before you drop the comment, clearly this band is too small for my wrist, but I don't recall seeing if it said small or large. Anyway, this is what it would look like. You got the matching band, matching case. That's nice, right? Once I get it in my size, I don't know, I might just punch a hole in the band. But yeah, turning your smartwatch into a luxury smartwatch. All right, it's nice. Get your little fit, red, white, and blue fit. Anyway, on to the next one. Okay, y'all, my bad on that Tom Brown lookalike. Actually, it's more of a chrome finish, but Tom Brown is rhodium, but it's more of a chrome finish, so it would look like this with this band. Like that. Okay. But since I got this on there, I'm gonna show you. Again, we're taking our smartwatch and making it a luxury smartwatch, you know, without the crazy cost. So I got the stainless steel bezel. I paid $16 for it. All right. And then for the watch casing, I paid And that came with a 2-pack. Here's the other one. In case you bang up one, you get 2. And I paid roughly $9 and some change. Hope y'all can see that in that reflection. Yeah, $9 and some change. Like I said, you get 2 of them. Okay? And then we're gonna also put the stainless steel watch band on it. Alright? Not so much as luxury, more of a business look. And I paid roughly $17 for it. As you can see, it comes with extra pins. If you clip the coupon, you save 10%. Okay? Most of us put a watch band on before, so I'm gonna pause the video and put it on. Alright. So I got it all put together, and this is what it looks like. Alright, it's a Galaxy 4 Watch Classic. It's the bigger one of the 2. Alright, easy snap-on clasp. Out the box, it fits me perfect. Alright. That's nice there. Again, guys, we turn our smartwatch into a luxury smartwatch. It doesn't have to look smart. It can look classic, it can look nice, it can look business, professional. It's real nice. Bezel spins, no problems. Alright. Got one more to show you. So for this last piece, I'm actually put it on camera because it's fairly easy. It's just one piece. This is the Spigen's Rugged Armor Pro. Spigen's Rugged Armor Pro for your Watch 4 Classic. All right, it's one piece. It's gonna definitely protect your watch and give it a nice look. All right. Like I said, we're gonna do this one on camera. That's all it is, one piece. Nice, strong, tough plastic pieces. If you don't know about Spigen's, they make the best cases in my opinion. They're not the prettiest, but they definitely gonna protect your phone. Or in this case, your watch. All right, this is the packaging that came in. $25 out the taxes. Show the easy install. Just take your watch, make sure your cutouts are lined up. You have to force that thing in. All right. Okay, wait a minute. Let's go in with the button side first. Yeah. There it is. Notice I left the bezel ring on as well. Now by me leaving it on, it's a tight fit, so I'm not able to use the bezel. But that's fine though. You know. As you can see, you can still swipe with ease. And you just pop it on. Nice thick band. All right now. Look at that, real nice. Strong. Look how deep your watch is in there. Definitely gonna protect it if you drop it or bump it into something. I also have tempered glass on it, so I'm good to go. Buttons are easily accessible. Easily accessible. Some branding on the buckle there. There's your buttons. Carbon fiber here as well. There's your speaker. That's nice, ain't it? $25 for this one, folks. That's a steal. If this is the one case you